Are you a transportation business owner looking to optimize your fleet operations? Or perhaps a business in need of efficient asset tracking and management? How can you improve fuel efficiency, enhance driver safety, and streamline maintenance processes? Get ready to unlock the secrets of telematics. Telematics has proven to be invaluable in industries like fleet management and construction. It combines telecommunications and informatics to transmit computerized information over long distances. The implementation of telematics helps address urban challenges and contributes to the efficiency of smart city infrastructure. A telematics system gathers data from sensors, engine diagnostics, and GPS to give fleet operators valuable insights. Sensors monitor driving behavior like aggressive driving, harsh braking, acceleration, and vehicle state. Engine data includes fuel efficiency and real-time diagnostics, improving fleet maintenance. GPS technology tracks vehicle location, speed, and movement, crucial for effective fleet management. The data is stored in the telematics device until transmission. Telematics technology offers several benefits in fleet management. Better driver behavior and fleet safety. Monitoring driver behavior and addressing unsafe conditions in real time improves fleet safety, reduces accidents, and enables timely assistance in case of emergencies. Lower fuel expenses. Telematics helps reduce fuel consumption by optimizing routes, managing traffic bottlenecks, and alerting about poor vehicle conditions. Improved insurance decisions. Accurate data provided by telematics systems helps analyze driving patterns, aiding in accurate damage estimates and optimizing vehicle insurance packages. Easier fleet maintenance. Telematics systems monitor vehicle conditions, providing timely notifications to address issues proactively, leading to smoother workflows, increased vehicle performance, and extended lifetime. Telematics systems offer a range of capabilities tailored to your fleet's needs. Some of these capabilities include vehicle diagnostics. You can receive regular reports on your vehicle's condition, schedule maintenance based on diagnostic data, and prevent breakdowns, ensuring optimal vehicle performance. Emergency assistance. GPS-equipped telematics system is used to request help in case of vehicle breakdown or running out of fuel. Telematics technology is booming, with an expected global value of $179 billion by 2028. Future trends involve individual vehicle integration, 5G connectivity, and telematics in autonomous vehicles. Heuristic can help implement a telematics solution that enhances fleet management and boosts revenue while prioritizing data privacy and protection.